52 bucks and 20% off. So that's what, $43? Small ass ones, right? Go for retail. Go for that retail game. Get that 20% off. Jordan 11 IE low. He's probably going for retail. The Air Force Ones. The I'm more than an athlete, or probably trying to get 110 for these chlorophylls, man. Y'all know these have been sitting. Oh, this is an extended size 11. Look at that, $38. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. Yeah, man, it's starting to rain, dude. It's the Sunday before Christmas, and yeah, I'm out at the Citadel. We're about to check out the Nike outlet out here. Shit, and it's about to rain, dude. So I need to put my camera away. But yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. Make sure you guys press that like button, and yeah, let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up. Try to get these deals. You guys. Got that huge Christmas tree, man. Look, they don't mess around here at the Citadel. Look at that, man. Probably like 3 stories, 4 stories, probably like 4 stories high, man. It's crazy. All right, let's get this Nike outlet. I thought it was the rain. They got like fake snow coming. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's pretty. You know, it's the most packed outlet in LA, so you know they gotta have a line. Let's see. Nobody waiting, so let's see if they still have the line or not. Let's see what's up. Okay, so there was no line. You know, it's cold as hell out there and it's hot as hell in here now, so yeah, see? Look, the most packed outlet in LA. Not even a comparison. Look at that, man. Crazy. Let's go see the deal. Size 10. It's a freaking zoo. Look at how many. Size 10, you guys. Look at how many empty spots there are. Crazy. Let's see how much these. Oh, look at that. 70 bucks. All right, these are back at like 129 at the clearance center. So yeah, the Black History Months. If you want those, not bad. Oh, everything is 20% off at the outlets. Or at the everything is 20% off at the hash wall. So yeah, there's the Witness 3s. 70 bucks. 70 bucks. I just picked up my pair for like 40, dude. Clogs going for 110. Get that 20% off. Is that how much I got it for? No, I think I got it for 110, 30% off. Not bad. Not bad. At least they're still on sale. Moving a little quick because it's crazy packed. Got the GPs. Oh, what? 52 and 30% off? 20% off? That's way cheaper. Dang, $52. Wow, 52 bucks, you guys. Wow. That is amazing. 52 bucks and 20% off. So that's what, $43? Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy, guys. I don't know if I'm going to use this for a thumbnail because not too many people know about this. But yeah, man, this is a Cool Kicks deal of the day right here. This is the deal of the day. That is crazy. That's crazy. $42 for these. Came out for what, 160 or something? Yeah, that's crazy. Damn, man. But thinking whether I should get these just they're so cheap. All right, we're gonna leave them, guys. I'm rocking the LeBron 15 lows. I'm glad I'm not wearing too much heat because, yeah, this place is a zoo, man. I can't even walk. So glad I didn't wear too much heat. I bumped into like at least 50 people. And at least 50 people bumped into me. I got some Kobe's. What size are these? Size 8, size 7s? Some small ass ones, right? Going for retail. Going for that retail game. Get that 20% off. Got the red, white, and blue clots. Going for 110, 20% off. Really not much in the smaller section. Let's go to the bigger ones. Size 12. That's a pretty good deal on the Pegasus. 55 bucks to get that 12%. 40-something dollars. That's a solid deal for 45 bucks. Zoom flying at 60 bucks. I think that's what we saw for last time. Solid deal. This is all React, you guys. All React. The Flyknits, all React. I swear it's busier than it was Black Friday, man. I can't even walk around. Without bumping into people. It's crazy. Okay, we got the most interesting sneaker right here. Most interesting sneaker of the day right here. Size 9. Wow, let's look at this. Let's take this over here and look at this. Wow, look at this. Jordan 11. Jordan 11 IE low. Pretty sure these don't have no resale value. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these. I like the Jordan 11 highs, but not the lows. But yeah, man, let's go for retail game. Minus 30%, 20%, my bad, minus 30%. Not bad. I think this is the most interesting shoe I'm gonna find today. But yeah, this is the Jordan 11 lows. Jordan 11 lows. Go for retail minus 20% off. So yeah. We'll see what thumbnail I end up using. We're in the size 13. 13s are totally separate from all the others. 13s and above. Got the GPs, oh, size 12s here. Kind of just everywhere, I guess. Kind of crazy today. But yeah, size 12s going for the 40 something, 40 something after the discount. Look, oh, they got size 13 too. Oh, these are all 12s. Oh, okay, we got size 13s right here. Those of you guys who are fans of those. Pretty solid deal, solid deal. Size 14 people, got the Pegasus. Turbos, $135, $135, not that. Get that 20 off. These probably going for retail, the Air Force Ones, the I'm More Than an Athlete, or I am Uninterrupted series. LeBron, we saw LeBron wearing these a while back. Go for retail, you get that 20 off. That's not bad. Not bad. I don't know if you're gonna find these at outlets anytime soon. Maybe eventually, but not anytime soon. Size 15 right here. Got the Alpha Dunks for $139, 20% off. Size 15 got the Proto Max. Man, the clearance section here is just nothing today. Nothing. Got some of these Flyknits, $60. Yeah, not much. Let's go see what's up in the aisles. I'm out fighting crowds, you guys, man. Go ahead and press that subscribe button if you're not subscribed to me. And all of you guys press that like button. Help your boy out, man. Let's go look around. Go look around some more. Probably trying to get 110 for these chlorophylls, man. Y'all know these have been sitting. The leather and stuff's not bad. I'm just not a fan of the color, but y'all know they've been sitting, man. Trying to get 110. That's man. Come on now. That's a travesty. We've seen these down to $70, $69.99 after a discount. That's crazy. Got the GPs, man. Full box, $52.99. That's crazy. Got the suede. That's pretty decent. Look at this. You can see the suede moving. See it moving, slightly changing colors. Got that ratcheting system. Those of you guys who like snowboards and stuff. Yeah, man, that's crazy. I don't think I'll like them though. I don't think I'll wear them ever. Yeah, it's such a deal though. Such a deal. Dang, their aisle stuff is crazy good. They got the Alpha Dunks right here. More Alpha Dunks going for a pretty good price. I think these are my favorite version of the shocks, because the shocks come to the front. I think that just looks kind of dope. I don't think it's gonna help you dunk like Carter, but yeah, not bad. See the aisle section, man. I'm telling you, these are dope. So Air Max 98, man. Dope colorway, good price, solid deal. Pretty mediocre. Let's keep it going. We saw these for cheaper. Not the greatest deal, but not terrible though, I guess. But yeah, we saw this for what, $80? Never seen empty shelves like that here. That's crazy. All right, the women's section is upstairs, the kids as well, so let's go upstairs, you guys. Let's go upstairs. All right, we finally made it to the women's section, and the women's section has been decimated. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at all the blanks. Oh my goodness. They don't have time to restock. They just need to try to help get everybody out of here, so they haven't even had time to restock. Yeah, man. Air Max 720s. Go for $100, 20% off. Oh, this is an extended size 11. Look at that. $38. $38, and you get an extra. Oh, holy crap. $38, and you get an extra 20% off, man. That's crazy. Some Element Reacts being given away for what, $30. That's crazy. These are some pretty dope Air Max 98s. This one looks like the little plastic pieces inside them. Kind of a unique design. All black with that colorful plastic stuff. Pretty dope. $70, and you get 20% off. That is dope. Dang, I hope I could find one for my niece, man. That'd be pretty dope. Got the gold Jordans. We haven't seen these in a while. I don't even know what the price is. I haven't seen these in a while. 7.5. 11s. I forgot the colorway. I forgot what they called it. But they look like the gold ones. Not bad. Got gold color. Got gold sparkles in the front. I don't know the price though. Don't know the price. They really trying to get retail? Get out of here. 220? That's crazy. That's crazy. You get 20% off. But that's damn. They got these. This would fit my niece, and they look dope. But do you guys see that line, man? I'll show you guys the line. I don't know if I want to wait an hour. It's like a 45-minute line, dude. I don't know if I want to wait. So let's see what's up. Let's see what happens. Damn, the women's aisle looking really mediocre. Really mediocre. What the hell is this? Oh, it's a turbo. It's a Pegasus Turbo X. Like a long collar. What the hell? And it's only one-sided. That's terrible looking. Oh, okay, this is pretty dope. This is pretty dope. $70 for these. Solid deal. 90 minus 20% for this. So it's at $72. Okay. Not terrible for these either. Kind of interesting. I don't know. It's like a. I could see like ladies in the Midwest like in this like kind of like a homey feel. I don't know. I don't know. Is that retarded of me to say? I don't know. That's just what I feel. I don't know. But I don't know if I know what I'm talking about. These wholesome sneakers, Cortez for women too. Okay. Dang, these elements, man. We're seeing them go down to bargain basement prices, man. That's crazy. Got some off-white. Oh wait, I mean some vandalized. What the hell? These are interesting. Like there's no laces. Like oh, it's just a strap. Really interesting. It looks inside out. Dang, that's crazy. Just eating up the off-white stuff, man. That's crazy. So I'm sad I can't buy these for my niece, but we're not seeing them until after Christmas. So I could get it after Christmas. Maybe they'll have these sales after Christmas. Am I being a cheap ass for saying that? I don't know. I don't think the prices are going to go down any further on this though, man. The prices are bargain basement already. That's crazy. Checking out the kids section with the Huaraches. Mo Huaraches. Man, these have been going down in price, so no need to rush out there and get these. The Air Max 95 in the kids section don't look as dope because this isn't full length. Full length Air looks so much better, dude. That's crazy. This as well, man. Maybe because they can't put as much, like they're so much smaller. The shoes are small, they can't put the air in. I don't know. These look ugly too. Okay, this is a pretty dope find. I was seeing them cheaper in the clearance center, but nobody can get stuff as cheap as the clearance center. So, still pretty good price, solid price, dope shoe. Seen these for months since the summer at the clearance center. The Jordan 8 Winters. I don't know what the hell this is. A Jordan 6, 17, 22. What the hell is it? It's a date? Okay. All right. Cool. Is that a combination of the Jordan 6, the Jordan 17, and the Jordan 23? I think that's what it is. That's a weird name, though. That's crazy. Got some music symbols on the front. Okay. All right. That's interesting. It's an interesting pair. Got some 312s. That's actually... Colorway actually is not that bad, dude. That's the best colorway I've seen for the Jordan 312s. Yeah, I'm kind of done fighting crowds, you guys. We're gonna wrap this up. This is just crazy. Let me show you guys how crazy the line is. The line starts right there. It goes behind the escalators, comes back forward this way, and then there's the amusement park line right there where it goes in the circle. That's crazy. That's crazy. We're gonna wrap it up, you guys. Wrap it up. Not getting those shoes just because I don't want to stand in line. That's crazy. Crazy, you guys. Just like last time. Now that I'm leaving, there's a whole big old line. Look, and it's raining like crazy, and there's a huge line. All right, that was the Nike outlet out in the Citadel. Like, it's kind of close to downtown Los Angeles. It's kind of been raining off and on. Yeah, that trip was crazy. That trip was crazy because I don't think I've ever gone to an outlet and not bought something because the line was too long. I don't think I've ever done that before. So that was definitely interesting, you guys. That was definitely interesting. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do like this video, go ahead, make sure you guys press that like button. And if you're new to my channel, or if you guys have been watching, there are plenty of you guys who've been watching, haven't subscribed yet, make sure you guys go ahead, give your boy some support and press that subscribe button. Make sure you guys click on that notification bell as well, so you guys know when all the new videos come out. Most of you guys know I do drop a lot of videos, you guys. There aren't too many people that drop as many videos as I do, pretty much 1 a day. Some days I do 2 a day. So yeah, thank you so much all for watching. Thank you, those of you who have subscribed. Hope you guys are having a great end of the year. Hope you guys have a great new year. And yeah, thanks for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Peace. See you in the next one, you guys. See you in the next one. Oh shit, that was crazy. Man, I think that was busier than it was on Black Friday, man. That shit was crazy. Shit's crazy. All right, finally get to go home. Crazy.